Do you want to accept payments on your website? What if we told you that you can integrate a payment gateway on your website or blog in less than 5 minutes, no developer needed, and completely free of cost? Introducing Razorpay Payment Buttons, the fastest and easiest way to accept payments on your website or blog. Going live with a button is easy. Choose from a template or start from scratch. Add multiple amount details or allow customers to decide the amount. Ask for customer details like address, PAN number, or more. Copy a single line of code and paste it on your website or blog. Customize text, button style, color, and more. Accept international payments. What's more, it's compatible with all leading website builders and content management tools. Thousands of Razorpay customers are already using payment buttons to accept money on their website. Go live with Razorpay Payment Button now.